Hey guys, so I'm at the camp today. It is another beautiful sunny day and I'm going to be doing a cook-up. So last night I stayed over and I done a camp out. You can see a little bit of that footage over at Bushwhacker Man's channel. So now I'm just chilling out in my favourite spot, which is the swing. Enjoying nature, listening to the birds. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. So today for lunch I'm going to be cooking chicken wraps with the new mess tin that I've got. I got this from Amazon and it comes with a bamboo lid, which is really good for cutting your food up with, and then the mess tin for cooking on. So I'm going to test this out today and see how it is. So it's really handy that it comes with a chopping board, so it makes it like really portable to use. So it's actually really handy. I really like the design of it. So that's my pepper all cut up, and now I'm going to cut up my spring onion.
I'll have some of that, Lou.
Yeah.
It's nice to see women in a rightful place around a campfire.
Is that why you're always around?
Yeah, I do like campfire cooking. That's a shame, man.
It's really good. And I'm using the bamboo lid as my plate. So it comes in 3 uses: as a lid, the container, so I could take the food away with me now. I can use it as a chopping board and as a plate. so it's 3 in 1 basically. Voila. And then you can transport your food away with you. So I'm going to finish the rest of that later and save some for my dad. So yeah, that was really good meal. Really enjoyed that. Now I'm just going to leave it tucked away so the bugs and stuff won't get to it. Oh yeah, it's a really cool piece of kit. Really happy with it. Dad's gonna have his wraps and that. So
you've been busy cooking?
Yeah, I've been cooking up. So it's in the box. So this is good because you can transport the food and open it up whenever you feel like it.
Good boys.
Wraps to go.
What's that big surprise? Oh, that's nice. Only one pine needle with mine, Louise. Oh yeah. Just what the doctor ordered. Cheers, Louise. Very nice. So what's in this? Peppers, onion, chicken.
Yeah. And then the lid goes back on again.
Very nice, Louise. Wraps in the woods.
So we're now going to wrap the video up.
So how much is that to buy?
This, £21.
It's good quality stainless and all, isn't it? Has that been on the fire? Been on the fire? You
Yeah.
cooked the chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, you cooked the chicken in it?
Yeah, I put the chicken in this.
It ain't marked up too badly.
No, it's pretty good. Yeah, and 30%, you get 30% discount.
I like that.
Yeah.
My mess tin, the handle don't lock. Look, turn it, spin it round so you can see. It actually locks, you've got to press it to...
Yeah, and it's all goes in there. Yeah. Pretty good. Thanks for watching.
Cheers guys. Get your daughter, make a nice wrap like this. You'll be a happy man.